Yeah, what's up? This is Mixmaster Guys.
This is your AK Voice of the Streets.
So we are locked down on that GHTV, man. Keep it locked. Stay tuned. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back to the entertainment bars right here on that GHTV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. So today's bars is rather a sad one. It has to do with Kumawood actor Bishop Benard Nyarko passing on. So Ghana has been thrown into a state of shock and sorrow following reports of the passing of Kumawood based actor Bishop Benard Nyarko. News of a sudden demise was confirmed by musician, ace radio presenter and DJ Andy Dusty. He captioned the post that he made, "Oh Lord, I don't want to believe you are gone. God be with you, my friend." An Instagram post by Andy Dusty, which read on Saturday evening. The cause of Bishop Nyarko's death is currently unknown. Exactly a month ago, he was reported to have said he has quit acting and nothing will make him rescind the decision. He became a full-time pastor to spread the word of God and win souls for his maker. According to reports, the actor ditched acting for the gospel after he was hit with an unknown illness. Bishop Nyarko in a viral video was heard telling his congregation that he has decided to follow the steps of actor Majid Michel, stressing that the movie industry is full of evil. "I have stopped because it's full of evil. Every day you would meet different people every day. You would see different girls. All of them want you to become their friends and some of them are coming from the Marine Sea. They should take their movie," he said. Okay, let's watch some videos from Bishop Benard Nyarko just to remember, and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section. May he so rest in perfect peace.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. Every day, and I'm headmaster. Every day, I'm headmaster. And so what? Why? Foolish mind. Idiot.
Are you insulting me?
I'm insulting you, but you're doing is no good.
Watch your words. If you don't take our...
Me?
I'll make sure you are sacked.
I'll curse you. Fucking mind. Headmaster under my foot.
Rita. What's going on in the house? What's DNS? Rita. Mini ya kwedu baha. Yes, what am spare me that trash. Around nonsense. Me mama baha, Rita. Not a gas to sack her. And you're all that you know is that you go out to do shopping. Your mother came here on a tray menu. Maria can't hear.
About fresh over.
No, Maria can't have a ring. No, but it ya abomeka. Of road. You want to know about me, but what you saying? And you may know, I guess I'm not that, that's not call. But the friend you so open it. Make sure about not to obey. Now, me, you had the gas to throw her. I'll sack you.
Sack me. Sack me. It's too much. Every day they sack. Still, I'm standing here. Sack me.
I'm sure come and I win your dealing. Huh? Oh, and does it glorify God? No. So you are fake. I'm telling you the truth. All of us are to show base. Why? Young commission, you know, we'll be necessary to cash with Tino. Young people want Papa Bia. The year 2019, if you are so called prophet, you stand behind the pulpit, preach about the gospel and the second coming of Christ. Young people, I bang, but be any favor because of material, get you obey dear cars. I can see a cars on the other. If you are cars better than Vannery, you obey dear car in such a house and say, Nipano, neither will be uno. What do you correct? Stop that fake prophecy. Whoever will stop it. You are injecting fear into people. They all hear from the Marine Queen. Bible see the team in the man is so bad, the team in Nasino. I selfish. But what time and Kwabata back? Watch us here. To all these people, they go to them for those powers. Mama could just hand them to me. You want to cancel to cancel to us and I say, Minion celebrity, spiritual women stronger. Not a foul. That's where they go. They sell candle, they sell the kind of oil, they sell soap, they do everything. And not be who hallmark. When you come to their church, they don't preach about Christ. They preach about prosperity and themselves and their belly. Fire go burn you. Change your life. 2019, you will die. All of you will die one by one. Bishop Benard Nyarko, I say so. Afuni pardon. Baby, I will be una. Uma mi omu. Shamini ya kwa ni won kom. Na omu na nye din. Anya satawole ni wandi shemo. Se kwa mi ji be bontu. Onya nasu nji nkam Ghana fo obi akara cheto aka say na nye meda me nyintum. I shall not die. I will live. I will live. Let's share nyame asem. Who share go pass? I don't need anybody like that. Because the word means the word of God is rooted in me. I think prophets are supposed to encourage, admonish, and lift people up. They are rather killing us. Can't quite hear something in Panajai. We be. What ferry?
Sir.
Come. What are you going?
Please, I'm going to Urina.
Yeah.
Urina?
Oui.
School without Urina?
We have.
Yes. Then you fit to the school, then you go to Urina out. How long are you?
You're the first one to talk.
Eh? You can't do it. I tell now what to tell. Penny to sell, and my age now. My boss had a mujino. Me, come on, go school ya. Come back with any teacher.
When you didn't see one.
Some of Bob Blappa. Cassandra me, I shan't come and say. So you sure I also pump it. And also I enjoy a passa. Young, move a yes, I get back to school before I turn my back. Get back. Get them. Oh, passa.
As I have a buff for quite.
What is a bouncing?
Ah.
Macao. I mean, you may tell you, Bobia.
Nipa bi aso emfa ho no hia no ba wi ase a o won krofu wu at least otumi trade duan mo
Edi.
Yeah. But the question is ankofo ni nyina na kai wo. There are some friends immediately you tell them say menya problem pre afro friend on fabio go say the next thing you are going to talk about is money. Ye boa me bra meti ase. Mami
Who are eating a Bible?
how can so ye had the machine.
Eddie Suma Crano. Bible, Yanyan Maizrafo. Hini fan potin pana. Ye ube piana quotation ben a chese chrome hafo, Eddie or Babu.
Bible no ye had the machine, Abraham machine go pass him. We are the descendants of Abraham. Whatever God has written beyond is for all of us, including you.
Oh, Frau Power Canisa. Eddie Tolino. Send someone I can catch the woman. Yeah, I mean, if you put of
I'm sure come and a wunya dealing. Huh? Oh, does it glorify God? No. So you are fake. I'm telling you the truth. All of us are to show base. Why? Young commission, you know, we be crash, we tino, young kupon one papa bia. The year 2019, if you are so called prophet, you stand behind the pulpit, preach about the gospel and the second coming of Christ. Young kupon my no, I bang. But be any faithful because of material get you be dear cars I can see a cars of the other. If you are cars better than Vanyery, you be dear car in such a way and say the panel. Neither will be uno. What the correction I stop that fake prophecy, whoever will stop it. You are injecting fear into people. They all hear from the Marine Queen. hwe Leviathan no dansiom Bible say the timi no na nima so oba the timi na se no I say fish na what time and kwabata back watch us here to all these people they go to them for those powers mama ko just and them timi no be cancel to so na say me nua say be ti usunsun no spiritual unya stronger na afaw. That's where they go. They sell candle, they sell the can oil, they sell soap, they do everything. And not be who hallmark. When you come to their church, they don't preach about Christ. They preach about prosperity and themselves and their belly. Fire go burn you. Change your life. 2019, you will die. All of you will die one by one. Bishop Benard Nyarko, I say so. Afuni pardon. They be na umami wongu. Shamini ya kwa ni wongu kom. Na wongu nenye din. Anya satawole ni wandishe mo. Se kwa mi ji be bontu. Onya nasu ngi nkam Ghana fo obi akara cheto aka say na nyem meda menyi ntum I shall not die. I will live.